the product of hand-peeled coffee, which is the cold brew coffee maker kit. This is used for iced coffee and iced coffee concentrate. This is the lid. I'm holding the lid of the mason jar. As you can see, it comes with a mason jar and this stainless steel filter, which you put your coffee grounds, like 2 cups of coffee grounds, I think will do. And then add the coffee, put it in this mason jar. See, it's wide mouth. I'm sorry, guys. It is wide mouth and it is easy to clean, like what I did earlier. Just put the coffee grounds in it, the stainless steel filter, put it in, put the cold water in, close the lid, and then just wait for 12 to 24 hours. And after that, you will have a delicious aroma and flavorful coffee, cold coffee, which is also low in acid, rich in flavor, and hits the spot on a hot summer day, like here in Mississippi. So, guys, just enjoy it. Bye bye.